I am seeking passenger Jaden N. Can Jaden N please acknowledge their presence by raising their hand? Ah, you're Jaden N. I see. It says here, Jaden, no photo with the department store Santa, no letter to Santa, and you made someone else put out the milk and cookies. It sounds to me like this is your crucial year. Were you issued a golden ticket? Can you hold it up for me, please? Thank you. Now, how about the rest of you? If you are here for the 11:50 departure of the Polar Express, I need to see those golden tickets. Golden tickets high in the air, please. I have a question for all of you, including Jaden N. Are you coming?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. I've got a schedule to keep. I asked, are you coming? Well then, all aboard the Polar Express!
What a beautiful ticket! Car 3, stay to your left, 1 and 2, keep right. Car 3, stay to your left, 1 and 2, keep right.
Hi there. Hello. Car 2.
Car 3 to your left, car 3. Come on down.
Numbers are right above the windows for you. That's for one. We can ask when someone sits down if they want to.
Hi, welcome. We found our seats. What are we looking for? 44. You're going to be right there. 44, 45.
Okay, and 49 and 50 more. Yeah, you and Dad.